Did you know that cucumbers are made up of about 95% water? That's right. They're like nature's own hydration stations. But wait, there's so much more to these crunchy green veggies than just keeping you hydrated. Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of cucumbers. These little wonders are often overlooked, but trust me, they deserve a special place in your diet. From hydration to skin health, cucumbers pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. Let's explore why you should be munching on these refreshing greens. So, let's talk about some of the common health challenges we all face today. With our busy lifestyles, staying hydrated can be a bit of a struggle. Dehydration is no joke, and it can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even poor concentration. And then there's the issue of poor nutrition. We often reach for quick snacks that are low in nutrients and high in empty calories. But here's where cucumbers come to the rescue. They're not only hydrating, but also low in calories, making them a perfect snack to help us combat these issues. Plus, they contain essential vitamins and minerals that can support our overall well-being. Now let's dive deeper into the amazing health benefits of cucumbers. First off, hydration. As I mentioned, they are mostly water, which makes them a fantastic choice for keeping you refreshed. Eating cucumbers can also help with weight loss. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which means they can fill you up without weighing you down. And don't forget about skin health. Cucumbers are known for their cooling properties and can be incredibly soothing for your skin. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants and vitamins like vitamin K and C, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin. And if you're looking for a snack that helps with digestion, cucumbers have a good amount of fiber, which can keep things moving smoothly in your gut. Here's a fun fact that might surprise you. Cucumbers can actually help reduce inflammation. They contain compounds called flavonoids and tannins that can fight inflammation in the body. So if you're dealing with any kind of swelling or irritation, munching on some cucumbers can give you a little boost. It's like having a natural anti-inflammatory remedy right at your fingertips. Isn't it amazing how something so simple can have such a powerful impact on your health? In summary, adding cucumbers to your diet can be a game changer for your health. They keep you hydrated, support weight loss, promote healthy skin, and even help reduce inflammation. So why not make them a regular part of your meals? All right, it's time to get creative in the kitchen. I encourage you all to start incorporating cucumbers into your meals. Whether you toss them in a salad, blend them into a smoothie, or just snack on them raw, you'll be doing your body a favor. And hey, I want to hear from you. Share your cucumber recipes or experiences in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out my other video on healthy eating for more tips and tricks. Happy munching!